morning everyone. Myself Aksa Sadaf. I am the student of 3rd year B Pharm from P.R. Pote Patil College of Pharmacy. On the event of World Pharmacist Day, video making for disease awareness is organized by P.R. Pote Patil College of Pharmacy, and today my topic is chikungunya. Chikungunya is a mosquito-borne viral disease caused by chikungunya virus known as Aedes aegypti mosquito. So, chikungunya is caused to human by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Chikungunya comes from the word kungunyala, which means that which bends up. The person affected with chikungunya walks with a stooped posture due to joint pain. Historically, chikungunya has been present mostly in the developing world. It was first identified in 1952. This infection took place for the first time in Europe. So, chikungunya is firstly identified in the year of 1952 in Europe. After that, we will see the causes of chikungunya disease. So, as we saw, chikungunya is spread through the Aedes aegypti mosquito. The main vector or cause of the disease is Aedes aegypti mosquito. The mosquito bites during the daytime with peaks in early morning and late afternoon. Mosquito acquires the virus from human, and after a period of 8 to 10 days, they transfer it to other humans while feeding. The virus circulates in blood of infected person for several days at approximately the time when the person gets fever. This is about how the Aedes aegypti mosquito causes the chikungunya disease. So, now we will see the symptoms which appears through the bite of mosquito in chikungunya disease. Symptoms usually begins after being bitten by infected mosquito. The most common symptoms are fever and joint pain. Other symptoms may include headache, muscular pain, rashes, body ache, significant swelling on the joints. The person affected with chikungunya walk with a stood posture due to joint pain. After symptoms, we will focus on the treatment of chikungunya. So, there are no specific drug to treat chikungunya. Doctors simply recommend rest and plenty of fluids. Over-the-counter medication will help to ease fever and joint pain, such as acetaminophen, naproxen, ibuprofen, paracetamol are used to reduce the effect of fever and joint pain. In the disease of chikungunya, acetaminophen, naproxen, ibuprofen, paracetamol are helpful. For longer lasting ache, physiotherapy may helpful. So, as we saw that there is no specific treatment are available, so we should be careful. Seeing as the major mode of chikungunya transmission is by mosquito bite, the best method of prevention involves minimizing the contact with mosquito. Steps that can be taken to prevent chikungunya includes get plenty of rest and drink fluids to avoid dehydration. Wear long sleeves and use mosquito nets to prevent mosquito bites. Get tested immediately to avoid misdiagnosis. Use mosquito coils and insecticide vaporizers. Use insect repellent, staying indoors as much as possible, especially during early morning and late afternoon. Although chikungunya is very rarely fatal, the symptoms are distressing and can be long-lived. So, in this case, avoiding mosquito is key. Avoiding Aedes aegypti mosquito is the best key for the treatment of chikungunya disease. I hope you understand and keep try to avoid the bite of mosquito. This is all about the chikungunya disease. Thank you.